Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this is another wig install, as you can see from the title, and this video is sponsored by Luvme here. So this is another bang wig video. Yeah, so they sent me the last video I did was what the last video I did for Luvme here was another bang wig, but it was a body wave bang wig. This one is a curly orangey ombre type of color look, which I'm very nervous about because one, bangs don't necessarily look good on me, and two, a curly bang, a curly wig, I don't know. But I'm gonna be showing you guys what the wig looks like just now. But before we jump into that, let me just show you guys what came inside the package. So I feel like I've done so many unpackaging and all of that from Luvme here, like, so you guys probably know what the box looks like. It looks like this, and inside the box they sent me some stocking cap, which I don't need because I have one on my head already. Their information card and some goodies. I think it's a so baby hair comb and Luvme hair scarf thing. So that's what came in the box. So yeah, so this is the wig, guys. I don't know how I feel about it, like the color, I don't know, but you know what, let's try it on and see how it looks, guys. Nervous father. Okay. Oh child. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, so I don't know, like, I have no clue what's happening right now. I'm definitely going to wet it because I don't know. I don't know, guys. No, like, the front part needs to kind of, I don't know. Okay guys, let me go see what I can do for this wig, because I don't think it's, I don't know. Okay guys, so this, I don't know. wait. So honestly, on my TikTok video, because I'm recording a TikTok video right now, on the TikTok, like on my phone, it doesn't look that bad, but on the camera, sis, I don't know what's happening. I think I'm gonna try. I kind of like it puffy, but I also don't like the fact that the bang is so puffy. I don't know, like, I don't know. Like, I almost like the bang, but I don't know. I think it's too much type of thing. I don't know what to do. Mom, where are you going? Okay, guys, if you're into like these type of wigs, then by all means, do you. But the hair is very soft though. That's the thing. Like, the hair is soft. The color is not so bad. It's just, for me, I don't know. I think I'm going to define the curls. So I'm gonna wet it a little bit and see, like, if that makes any difference.
To me, my eyes are like a lie machine.
it's looking a little bit better with it being wet, so I'm going to continue doing that. Okay guys, so I'm basically conflicted with this wig, right? I don't like when the front part, yeah, I don't like when the front part, which is the bang, I don't like when it's too puffy because it looks really big. But I also do not like when the back part right here is too flat. So I don't mind the bang being a little bit dry, no, a little bit wet, so it's not so puffy. Like I don't mind it being flat, if that makes sense, but I also don't want the sides, so I'm gonna try like puff it up a little bit. But it's not so bad. Like when you wet the bang, for me it looks better. But I also like it when it's puffy. Once you bring your makeup as well, then you will definitely pull it off for sure. Yeah, it's something new, I must say. I don't think I would like necessarily like go and wear a wig like this like on a regular, but there are people out there that will love these type of wigs. So if you're a fan of like curly bang wigs or anything of that sort, then this will be a good wig for you to try. And it's summer, guys. It's like a 3-minute wig, not even, literally. If you define it before putting it on your head, leave it to dry and snap it on, it's on your head like within 3 minutes, not even. But yeah, I think I'm gonna let this part dry a little bit more before I do the outro so you guys can see it. But for me, I would love for the bangs to be a little bit flat. So yeah, this is pretty much the end of this video. I wanted to leave it a little bit more so I could dry more and be puffier, but I'm kind of running out of time and I have like a different video that I have to do. So yeah, I didn't get to actually do I didn't actually get to wait for it to be more puffy. But all in all, this wig is very soft. I love the color. I don't necessarily like curly wigs with bangs, but if you're a person that loves curly wigs with bangs, then this is the perfect summer wig for you, especially if you're on the go. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I'd like to thank Luvme here for sponsoring this video. What is wrong with me? Yeah, but yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.